Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar and find the button Screen Record. So as you can see, when you just tap on it, nothing happens for some reason. So in order to start recording, you just have to hold your finger on it, and then it suggests you like start screen recording. Here you can adjust some of its settings before starting of the record. You can record audio, you can select video quality, you can show touches on screen, and also camera window. So let's start recording. Okay, so it starts. Here you have like this timer. It also shows camera. You can switch it here. So as you can see, it like real-time front camera. So we recorded some of our screen. In order to stop recording, you tap on this timer here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. To the folder called Movies, and here is our recording. Okay, so it starts. Here you have like this timer. It also shows camera. You can switch it here, and from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, and some actions from here like check-in info or something like that. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.